Hi, I'm Andy, one of the HVAC Service Managers here at Thornton & Grooms. Today we're going to be talking about how to maintain our air conditioner's efficiency throughout the season. The first easiest way, and one of the higher issue or common issues that we come across during AC season, is the cleanliness of the condenser outside. If you live in an area where the cottonwood and stuff floats around, those are a major cause of making the condenser dirty, along with the area around the condenser. Usually you want to have at least a 12 to 18 inch perimeter that's clear from the condenser outside, so it has air movement. If you have trees or bushes, flowers or whatever growing right up against the condenser outside, it's not going to be able to do what it needs to do in an efficient manner, and it might make the unit work harder or run longer to keep the house cool in the summer months. The second leading thing to keep it efficient is just changing your air filters regularly. Depending on what type of filter you have, anywhere from a month to 6 months. Whatever filter you have, I wouldn't recommend going any longer than 6 months on a filter. If it's the 4-inch dimension one, if it's the little 1-inch ones that you get for a few bucks at the store, that should be replaced every month. Another one, as it gets hotter outside, depending on what you have temperature-wise or what your comfort level is inside, keeping your thermostat set at a reasonable temperature in reference to outside can make it, save some energy as far as how long it's running. So if it's like 90 some odd degrees outside and you have it set at like 65 degrees inside, that unit is going to be running longer and a lot harder to maintain that 65 degree temperature inside when it's 90 plus degrees outside. So if you can bump it up a few degrees, it can help with efficiency. It's not running as long and you're not using as much energy to do so. Another question that's asked about thermostats is what to set the temperature at. If you have a programmable thermostat and you have like the home and away feature, I don't recommend going much more than 3 to 4 degrees, because if you get much more than that, depending on what the temperature is outside, in reference to when you want the house to heat up or cool down, that unit could be running a long time to adjust to that 3 to 4 degree difference. The fourth reason to maintain efficiency is just have routine maintenance done it. The newer the equipment, they tend to require a little bit more maintenance as far as making sure it's efficient. So having a technician out at least once a season to make sure everything's running properly and efficient. If there's something that's off, they can provide a solution to address whatever that is. If you go long periods of time between maintenance, things could come up in between there that you're not aware of, and you could be essentially spending more money in the long run without you really noticing. All right, well, hopefully those little tips can help you out in the future. If you have any questions or experiencing anything beyond some of that stuff that you checked, I would recommend having a technician come out and evaluating the system to make sure everything's doing what it needs to do at that time. Thank you for watching. Just make sure you like and subscribe.